Let's make the easiest ice cream with only 4 ingredients and without sugar. Today we will make the mixed berries ice cream. It's very delicious and the color is amazing. I will use this pack and I will leave some pieces for the decoration. Put 2 cups of the mixed berries in a food processor with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar and 2 tablespoons of honey. If it needs to be freezed after mixing, freeze it for 10 minutes until it's thick again. And here you go, your delicious and healthy ice cream is ready to be served. Chill the cups that you want to serve in to retain the cold temperature. Put the pieces that we left for decoration, it will look so yummy. And now you can enjoy your treat. It's very delicious, very easy and healthy at the same time. Try it and of course you will like it inshallah. See you in the next video. صحتين وهنا.